Oh. 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 Whoa, you guys.
Time for All in the Foley family. Right, Jaden? What's up, Foley fam? Today, me and Jaden are going to...
So, Ava and Jaden are going to be doing a very fun challenge. Drum roll, please.
Fidget versus real food. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, turn on post notifications so you never miss a Foley video. And then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Okay, so basically, it's kind of like squishies versus real food.
Except
It's with Fidget. So you win if you get the Fidget food.
if you get the fidget. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Jaden cuts, so Jaden goes first. Okay, Jaden, what number did you get?
2.
2. Okay, so Jaden, so Ava goes first. So Ava, you can either pick to switch or keep your bowl. It doesn't matter. You get to decide.
Keep. I think I might. 3, 2, 1. I got the
Jaden got the fidget squashmallow. Is that how you say it?
No, squish.
Oh, squishmallow. Ava, Ava, you got the taco. Yay! Jaden, you got the toy. Yay!
Oh my god, that's round 2.
Jaden, do you want to keep or do you want to switch?
Keep. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! What'd you guys get?
I got a banana. I got the banana.
Yes! Okay, Ava, so Ava got the fidget, so Ava gets a point. So Ava, what kind of fidget is that? 3? Open your banana! Oh.
I got 1 point.
Whoa. Oh. 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 Whoa, you guys.
Round 3. So I think I get to keep or choose.
Switch.
I wanna keep.
It's Ava's turn. So Ava, do you want to keep or do you want to switch?
I wanna switch.
Ava's gonna take yours.
Thank you.
Okay. There we go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Jaden got the fidget, the yellow M&M.
I love candy.
Ava, you got M&Ms. Are you gonna share?
No, mine. Ready round 4, Eva? Yeah. Okay, do you want to switch or do you want to keep? I want to keep. 3, 2, 1. I got pineapple.
Woo! So Ava, you got the fidget, pineapple. Ooh, so that's a pop-it fidget, right? So this is a pop-it fidget. This is a what again?
Stretchy banana.
A stretchy banana, a taco marshmallow, squishmallow, and an M&M squishy. How is it? Tell us, Jaden.
What? Put it back. I think I want to
Switch! She's gonna switch. The Jaden got the peas. What are those called, Ava?
Pea poppers.
Pea poppers. Let me see, Jaden. Show them how they pop. Oh, is that satisfying?
So good. Round 6.
Whose turn? Jaden, you want to keep it or switch it?
Keep.
Jaden wants to keep.
3, 2, 1, go. I got pop it.
Ava, those strawberries are gigantic. Jaden, are you gonna have one of those strawberries? Jaden has 4 fidgets and Ava only has 2.
I'm really smart with wrapping. So 3, 2, 1. I got 3! Yay! I got the fidget. I got 3! Oh my god, guys, I got the squishy. Listen to that, guys. I ate all grapes. This is a pie round. I want the key. Wait, what?
Jaden, this is the $1 million question because if you have a fidget under there, guess what? You win.
Yeah.
3.
2, 1.
Is it slow rising squishy? You like it?
How long has this happened? See, this is actually Carla.
It's Carla squishy. A squishy, a strawberry, an M&M, a taco, and these what are these called?
Poppers. Poppers.
An Ava one, the grape, the stretchy banana, stretch it with me,
I got pretty good ones though.
and the pineapple. Let me see the pineapple. Ooh, feel this, guys. Listen to this. So satisfying. I'm even into these fidgets.
Yeah, she got herself a DNA ball. Alright, boys, fam, that's the end of the video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, turn on our post notifications so you never miss a Foley video.
And remember, guys, if you're not fully subscribed, you're not.
Satisfying! Yeah, if you're not fully subscribed, not fully satisfied. Guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and we will do a part 2 if this video gets to how many likes?
How many likes, Jaden?
So how many views?
How many?
Meals.
How many likes, Jaden? 15 million?
No, 150 million.
Whoa! All right, 150 million likes, guys.
Good job,